welcome to Tazori Home. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be touring Pennybrook Cottage here in Litchfield County, Connecticut. This is an Airbnb that we're going to be staying in for the next couple of days, designed by Shelby Girard and her husband Chris. You may have seen their home tour recently on our channel. If you haven't yet, check that out after this video. They have so thoughtfully designed this space, and when you see it, you're gonna want to book your stay immediately. So make sure to check out the link in the description below to book your stay. Without further ado, let's get in and check out this home because it's magnifique. Come on in. Okay, so when you first enter through the front door, you come into the dining room and the kitchen area, and the space goes right into the living room. There's like two little hallways, and I just think the overall flow is just incredible. When I first came in, you smell the wood. It's like so cozy and homey and kind of gives me Scandinavian vibes. I know that Shelby and Chris said that what they loved about this space was that the bones were already so good from the previous owners, and they brought it to life and brought more personality. They brought in their personal touches with their antique finds and the lighting, and I know they brought in this antique sideboard, which I love that they're using as an island in this kitchen. I think it's so smart. It just breaks up the room nicely. I just feel like this space is one that if you're having company over in, you would just want to be hanging out in here, spending time together, sitting at the dining table, cooking in the kitchen. It just feels like such a place for gathering. And then if you walk over here, they have these amazing sliding doors that lead out to a little dining area outside. So I'm gonna open it up here. So this is amazing. They've got a grill out here, this beautiful barn in the back that I know they have plans to do fun things with that. This would be such a fun place to come and stay with a bunch of friends and just have a grand old time out here. Over here, we actually have a little powder room, and it has the cutest wallpaper in here. You can just tell they've put so much thought into every little detail, and that's how it was with their home as well. This is just the cutest little powder room, and I love the cafe curtain that you can peek outside and the natural light can come in. It's so beautiful. And I am gonna show you before we go in the living room, this amazing pantry, which houses all of their appliances. I hate when I go to an Airbnb and it's like they have nothing, and I'm like, but what if I want to cook in here? You didn't think about me. Am I supposed to bring my pots and pans? No. So they have everything in here, which is awesome. Even some olive oil and some seasoning things, which is great for when I bake my apple pie later. And over here, they've got some dinnerware and glassware, which is just amazing. And it's beautiful too. So we're stocked up. Okay, so now we are going to venture into the living room. So follow me. If this isn't the coziest space ever. First of all, I love this tone of green, like a deep olive green is so cozy, and this couch is so beautiful. Also, if you want to purchase anything, any pieces that you see in here, we're going to link below for you to be able to shop pieces from Pennybrook Cottage because it's so good, and Shelby and Chris have sourced the most beautiful pieces. There's a lot of antiques mixed throughout too, which is what I love. And this is what we see in a lot of our home tours, is mixing new with old, and they do such a good job of that in here. Antiques mixed throughout and vintage pieces mixed throughout in such a tasteful way, but it still feels so new and fresh and inviting. So well done, Shelby and Chris. But this is so cozy. And also, I have to draw your attention, in case you didn't already look at it, this gorgeous verdure tapestry. I don't know, I need to learn how to say that. Verdure? Whatever. Let me know in the comments. This tapestry is absolutely stunning. I love that the colors are pulled throughout this space. You see the blues and the greens, and then the green couch, and you see through the pillows. I feel like it just ties all the colors together so beautifully. They've got this mantle fireplace experience without an actual fireplace, but I love that there's the brick exposed here. I love that they did this. This is so smart. And not only that it's kind of giving that fireplace vibe, but that on the sides they have shelving where they have all these beautiful objects styled. I just think that's such a thoughtful and beautiful touch, that instead of just having the wood flanking on the sides that it's another opportunity to just show beauty. This is a really fun feature, is this bench seat by the window here. Reading a book up on this bench seat, cozied up during the day. Oh my gosh, this is so fun because people can be in the living room and they can also be on the bench hanging out. And I feel like you could fit so many people in this living room. This would be such a fun place to host. It's just so beautiful. The light in here is also amazing. So, okay, now we're gonna go upstairs. And before I run up the stairs, Shelby and Chris put this amazing runner on here, which is like a vintage Turkish rug of some kind. And I just think it adds so much personality. So let's go upstairs. I'm going to take you into our bedroom, which has such beautiful light. I love the high ceilings and the beams, and I know that something that Shelby and Chris added was this amazing wallpaper, and I love how it covers not only the walls but also the ceilings. It just makes it feel so cozy and warm in here. I know that these end tables were Facebook Marketplace finds, along with the lamps and this beautiful portrait, as well as this side chair. I just think that when you source pieces from different areas, Facebook Marketplace or your local design shops or eBay, vintage shops, antique shops, it really makes for a very collected and beautiful, warm feel in a home. I also love that they have these curtains here, because one thing I don't love when we're traveling is when we have like suitcases that are just out and about. And so this is a nice way to hide your suitcase and it still be pretty and relaxing. I also just want this chair, like, oh my gosh. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, and we don't have a king bed at home, so I'm very excited to have so much space. I'm just loving these high ceilings. I think it adds so much to the space. And I know that this particular piece is an antique find from a local antique shop in Connecticut. It's called Montage Antiques. And I love that she has this antique dresser and then this more modern lamp, marble lamp right on top, with this art piece and also this vase that is more contemporary. I just think if you're afraid of mixing different styles, don't be. I do think there's a way to make pieces you love work together, and I think mainly the way to do that is through color palette, which a lot of guests on our home tours will share, and that's what I think Shelby and Chris have done so well, is their color palette is really neutral, calming, and so they can mix this antique dresser with this contemporary lamp and it work. Such a cozy space. I love this bed frame. We're gonna link all the pieces that we can below. So if you want to shop anything from this Airbnb, you can head to the link down in the description below for that. I hope you enjoyed our tour of Pennybrook Cottage. If you are looking to stay in the Litchfield County area, make sure to check out Shelby and Chris's Airbnb at the link in the description below. I can't tell you how much more beautiful this is even in person than on camera, and I'm so excited to spend the next couple days relaxing and unwinding here. It is so cozy, and once again, if you haven't seen Shelby's home tour, make sure to check that out. I'll put it up in the card here, but make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to see more behind the scenes footage and be a part of our private community, make sure to join us over on Patreon. The link is down below. Would love to get to know you more in there. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.